Make your vehicle look new with MBI Auto's painted to match and easy to install bumpers. You can save hundreds of dollars and get your parts conveniently delivered to your door within days, often for less than your typical deductible. We utilize the same direct replacement parts as your local shop and highest quality paints in the market. Over the last decade, we have fine-tuned our painting process to get you a great match. All we need is your paint code. We have over 2 million satisfied customers thanks to our customer service team based in Michigan. We are available to answer your questions, help you find the correct part, or even help you find your specific paint code. Speak Spanish? No problem. Se habla español. But don't take our word for it. Hear it from our customers.
The color, the quality, the arrival time has just been spectacular.
The quality was great and the paint match perfect.
They spoke Spanish and English, so it was very convenient for myself because my husband could help.
The price was a huge determining factor, and we were very pleased not only with the service but with the price.
If I ever need anything else for my car in the future, I would definitely choose MBI again.
Low prices, great service, good people. They're easy to recommend.
MBI Auto, where quality painted bumpers meet trustworthy service.